Hey guys, it's your boy N again. Just a quick video. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the light on the 2015 Ford Escape. That's actually from 2012 to 2015 Ford Escape. All you got to do is turn the key in the on position. You put your left foot on the brake pedal and your right foot on the gas pedal at the same time. You hold it. See service or reset in progress. Keep on holding it. Then it says complete. And you just let your feet go, and that's it. Alright guys, stay tuned for more videos, guys. I'm going to do more videos, going to put them out all the time as much as I can. I appreciate you guys for watching. Until then, take care.